What's going on, guys? This is another day in the books, man. Move this seat back a little bit. Another day in the books. Another day in the books. Hope it was a good one for you. Heading to the gym now, just got off work. So it's leg day. It's leg day, it's leg day. Don't like leg day, man. But we're gonna do it. It was a pretty gross day all day. Really wet and rainy, but I guess it dried up and the sun came out. Pretty nice. So overall, good day on the market. Stock portfolio is looking good and juicy. Government shutdown. All this news that is intended to scare us, I feel like isn't really scaring people. So that's good. If you're outside the US, you're probably wondering what the heck I'm talking about. But yeah, I guess government shutdown, man. Whatever that means, doesn't matter. That's all I need. That's all I know. Is it doesn't matter. I'm old enough to know government's shut down a lot of times before, and the only thing that's come from it is higher asset prices. That person is getting pulled over. Higher asset prices, growth on investments, historical averages gone up. So I'll tell you right now, I'm not worried about anything. So people looking at me with my GoPro on my forehead like, what the hell is that guy doing? I'm recording YouTube videos, damn it. Just kidding. Well, not kidding, but yeah, man, October 1st today. It's wild how quick that's crept up. Here we are. May October treat you well. Another month to prove to yourself that anything's possible. Growth is on the horizon. If you keep working hard, you'll see it. So don't give up. Pretty nice day for an October, I'd say, here in Washington. Leg day for me. I'm actually gonna squat today. If you've followed along in my past videos, if you're a subscriber, I appreciate you for watching and returning. But you know that I haven't been squatting on my leg days because my back. I broke my back. No, I didn't break my back. I tweaked it though. Lower back hurts. I'm getting old, man. So, but we're gonna go squat today. We're gonna go light. Just get some stretches in. Taking the day off from the gym tomorrow, so I'm gonna wash my car after work, watch some Thursday night football, making a good day. I've been thinking about doing like a POV car wash, show you guys how I wash my car. Got a pretty solid setup with like a pressure washer and a foam cannon and some other stuff, so might do that. I just need to organize my thoughts and figure out how I want to lay it out. Do I want to do it as like a educational like tutorial, like this is how I wash my car, or is it just gonna be like a chill video on come with me while I wash my car type of shit? I don't know. We'll see. Who knows if I'll even do it, but yeah. Here we are. Some dude's just in there. So scared me for a second. Anyways, at the gym. So let's gather our thoughts and figure out what the plan is. I just realized I forgot my phone at home, so that's gonna be fun. But yeah, let's go get it. Leg day. Appreciate y'all for watching. Until next time, drive safe. Peace.